Well, good morning. We out here. Nothing like narrow roads, steep hillsides, and no cell reception. Well, I wouldn't have it any other way. We're about 20 miles from the highway, and the nearest town from that is Oak Ridge, which is renowned for its mountain biking and is fantastic. But we're not mountain biking today. We're gonna go see waterfalls. We got 3 waterfalls on deck for today, starting here with Pinard Falls. And if all goes well, we will then move on to Moon Falls and Spirit Falls. Now, I like to wear rubber boots when I'm shooting waterfalls in case I have to get in the stream. Now, apparently, this hike is about half a mile and fairly steep. So I'm pushing it in terms of these because they're not exactly quality footwear. So we'll see how it goes. So I've never been to any of these waterfalls, which is always a little nerve-wracking when making these videos because you never know what you're going to get. But it also is exciting. You know, new experience, something to look forward to. The weather is nicely overcast. Hope it stays that way. I definitely like to shoot waterfalls on overcast days, and looking pretty good right now. Well, this is a really pretty falls. Definitely worth the price of admission. I'm gonna start off with a pretty straightforward shot, a tourist shot, I like to call it. But I mean, it's still an elegant shot. I mean, it's such a pretty falls, it speaks for itself. But I also like these shots, these simple, just come to the scene and shoot right away, just to get the brain working, let it tell it that, no, we're here to do some photography. So, all right, we got this one. Now we'll start to experiment. Well, I didn't have to go far from my first experimentation. I was standing where you are right now, and then I just moved down here, set up this old stump to frame the falls. Bingo, we got a shot. So this is a bit awkward to get to, but it's totally worth it. It's a great comp. And the reason I wear these rubber boots when I come out to shoot these waterfalls. Let me show you what we got here. So, just have this great framing of the rocks, the fallen trees, and of course the waterfall falling right through it. I placed the log that's going through the top of the frame, on the top of the frame to frame it as well. And just a very nice, organic Pacific Northwest scene. I like it. What I don't hear mentioned enough is how much of a pain the mist from the waterfalls cause. Anyway, all right, I have a composition here that I'm gonna do as a pano. I've got the moss, the ferns and mossy sides, and the waterfall coming right down through it. Yep. Well, that was Pinard Falls, an elegant waterfall in a beautiful location. Can't wait to see what's next. All right, Moon Falls. Well, this is cool falls. I think I'm gonna start by putting myself in the picture. I got the red jacket on, so let's do this. So I'm just out hunting compositions. I think this was interesting. We got the two tones of the moss and then the waterfall in the background. Kind of like three different layers. Thought it'd be worth a try. Yeah, it's a lovely falls. I'm really thankful the sun isn't out, because that would make that white water blinding. So it's tempered by the overcast cloud. I'll take it while we can. All right, I'm gonna take one more shot. Maybe this will be the thumbnail for this video, we'll see. All right, here we go. Rubber boots and all. Well, today, since I'm car camping, or, well, I'm not camping, car cooking, since I won't be too far from the truck, I thought I'd go a little more elaborate this meal and make myself some steak tacos. We're gonna caramelize some onion. We got some marinated skirt steak. Then we'll hit that with a little cotija cheese and radishes. I'm starved. I can't wait for this. All right, the onions are looking good. You can put those to the side for now. And then get the steak. Well, that hit the spot. Let's go check out Spirit Falls now. Well, this day's certainly delivering. Spirit Falls, gorgeous. Starting off with a pretty simple shot here. Just kind of getting warmed up like I like to do. What makes this place impressive is this amphitheater and all the moss on these trees. I'm gonna work the scene and see what we can come up with. All right, I said work a scene and I wasn't kidding. I've been moving around every few feet here and there to try to find a composition that fits. And I found one I liked. And here, I'll show it up. So what I like about this is we actually have 3 kind of pools of falls coming down, and we have some rocks framing in the bottom, and then we have a lovely mossy log in the distance. So with the long exposure, it all kind of comes together as a nice forest primeval kind of scene. Well, that was really nice. I think my favorite part about this falls was the splashdown, the spray at the base. Made some cool shapes. Just looked pretty. I think it's time for me to head home now. Thanks a lot for joining me today. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more, and I will see you in the next one.